Ma'am Robes. Best in projection. Atong walandong eman. Atong walandong doy. Dai. Dai lagi. Best in projection. Raise your bet. We have candidate number 5. Daghan jud pang may day man. Requesting Ma'am Jenny Olaco to pin the sash, and together with the advisor again. Okay, next. Best in introduction. Kinsa man be? Kinsay kinalamayan dito nagpagaray-garay? Ha? Candidate number 6. Okay. Miss Christine Osio from grade 9 Charity, requesting the advisor and Mrs. Nida A. Villacorta to pin the sash.